YouTube, what is up, you guys? All right, man, how's everyone doing out there? Hope everyone's doing good. So what are we doing today, man? Yep, today's the day. We are going to get rid of these guys right here. These ugly old things right there, man. Bam. Yeah, so I got a couple of days ago, I got the new rims in. So yeah, after they came in, I just started to, slowly work on them. I sanded them down and primed them already. And I'll show you in a minute here what they look like. I'm still working on them, but I just wanted to give you guys a look how these rims look compared to what we're going to be putting on. They're still, the ones I bought are stock, Ford rims, Ford wheels, but they look a lot better than this, right? They look a lot better than these guys, in my opinion anyway. So with that, I'll take you guys up and show you what I'm working on. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome to my little patio here. This is what we got going on. These are the rims right here, you guys. I already got the first coat on top. Been a long process here getting these guys to the point where they are now. We're obviously not done yet, but we're getting there. And so I sanded these guys down big time, and then primed them. Already put the primer on them, 3 coats of primer. And so I've already painted the inside as well. So now we're going to do the outside. I got the first coat on the outside, so I'll probably do maybe 3 more coats. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I think these rims are going to look a lot better than what's on there now. And I like these guys because, it's got the big open space in here, in between here, right? As you can see, I can stick my hand through here. And so with that, when I wash the car and stuff and I want to clean inside the wheels, I can just, stick my hand in there and then, clean off all the dirt and stuff inside, right? And that's another reason why I don't like the original rims that are on there now. You just cannot clean in there. Yeah, you can get a brush and stick it in there, but that's just too much work. So too much trouble. So with these guys, not only do they look much better, especially once I'm done, gloss black, they're going to look pretty awesome, I think, in my opinion anyway. And we'll throw them on the car. We'll go down close to my home here, have a tire shop, and I'll have them, take off the tires on the original wheels and switch them over here, and then we'll show you what it looks like. But for the meantime, I'll just kind of be showing you, some clips of how we're progressing here with these guys. So all right, you guys, just a quick update here. Got 4 coats of paint on these guys. Oh, they look amazing. What a wonderful job you can do at home, man. And even here, as you can see, obviously I don't have an enclosed room or anything. There's a lot of flies flying around. They probably like the smell or the odor of the paint. But yeah, they look super glossy, nice and black. They look wonderful. So I'll be using let me show you what I'm going to use for clear coat. Stuff is expensive, 1K duplicate clear coat, right? So hopefully this is better than the other stuff I've used in the past. I got 4 cans of this stuff here, setting it here in the sun, because I found that when it's nice and warm, the paint or the clear coat primer and everything, when it's in the sun and it warms up, it comes out much smoother. So I'll let these guys dry, probably another 20-30 minutes or so, let them dry, and then I'll start applying the clear coat. Probably do 4 coats as well of clear coat. And once that's done, man, I'll just let them dry overnight, and hopefully tomorrow I can go to the tire shop. So by the way, if you're interested in doing this, I've done quite a few videos of, painting calipers and wheels. step-by-step, videos, and I'll post them here so that you can follow those in case you want to do this. So all right, you guys, so we got the fronts done, as you can see here. So I just wanted to give you a quick comparison here what this looks like, man. I think the black looks way much better, from my opinion anyway. I just don't like the chrome stuff. You can see the wheel there. You can see the caliper nice and red in there. And I got the caps at home. I forgot to bring the caps here, but the little caps, I got some black caps, Ford caps. But yeah, check out the paint job, man. Nice. Looks really good, you guys. So yeah, these are gonna be much better than this. You can't even see the caliper in there, man. Look at this guy. You can totally see the caliper inside. But yeah, we're almost done. All right, YouTube, we got it done, man. Check it out. Give you a side shot here. You see, expand it a little bit. There it is, man. So it's taking away a lot of that chrome. It just looks much better. As you can see here, it's starting to black out quite a bit. And I got the caps on, as you can see. I got the caps on, black Ford caps. So that makes a big difference as well. So now just two things left, man. I gotta do the hood racks here, the rails, and the front grille. So I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna go about the grill. Probably just paint it, but I don't know. I gotta give it some good thought. This guy, I know how to do it already, so I'll be doing this next, maybe next weekend or so. But yeah, take a look, man. It's looking much better now. A lot more sportier than it was, that's for sure. So we got all the chrome blacked out there. We blacked out the chrome limited. I'm probably gonna remove this entire wording and just do L, T, and D, and just to kind of, abbreviate it, shorten it up, and maybe make the T red, kind of like this right here, right? 4-wheel drive. And then, so yeah, I'll give you a shot of this angle here. Bam. There it is, you guys. And you can see the calipers, you can see the calipers much better than before. You couldn't even really see them. But now look at, bam, in all their glory. There you go. Bam. So, yep. Got the door handles blacked out. Two more things, man. Once we black out that grill and the top rack, I think it's gonna look super sporty, in my opinion anyway. So yeah, there you go, you guys. Got it done. It was a lot of work doing these wheels and the calipers, but yeah, well worth it, man. So cool. With that, you guys, stay tuned for the next one. I got some more. Other than the blackouts, I got something else coming up on this guy too. And actually for the Mustang, I've just been holding out for quite a while, been lazy, so we'll try to get to him, man. So stay tuned, everyone. We got some more stuff coming up. All right, everyone, stay safe out there, man. Peace.